Amidst the medieval haze of the 11th century, a subtle shift in the winds of progress began to stir in the heart of Europe. In the verdant valley of Byzantium, a monk named Symeon the New Theologian preached the importance of caring for the earth, a concept that would later become the cornerstone of sustainable living. As the centuries passed, the need for change became increasingly apparent. The Industrial Revolution brought forth a new age, one marked by rapid growth and unparalleled progress. Yet, it also ushered in a period of environmental degradation, as factories belched smoke into the heavens, and forests fell to make way for cities. In this time of crisis, a new generation of thinkers emerged, seeking to find a balance between human progress and environmental preservation. One such visionary was Thomas Malthus, who warned of the dangers of unchecked population growth and the depletion of natural resources. His ideas sparked a wave of intellectual inquiry, as scholars delved into the past to learn from the ways of their ancestors. In the ancient texts of Rome, they discovered the writings of Cato the Elder, who championed the idea of conservatio rerum, or the conservation of resources. This idea resonated with the growing movement, and soon, the concept of sustainable living began to take root. In the heart of the 19th century, a man named John Russell Smith, an American farmer, took up the mantle. He advocated for the use of crop rotation and green manure to enrich the soil, preserving its fertility for future generations. His methods were scoffed at by many, but the wisdom of his approach became evident as his crops flourished, a testament to the power of sustainable practices. As the 20th century dawned, the world was once again plunged into crisis. The Great Depression and the Second World War left many questioning the path humanity had chosen. It was in this bleak landscape that a new vision for the future began to emerge. In the United States, a young president named Franklin D. Roosevelt implemented the New Deal, a series of programs designed to lift the nation out of poverty and put it on a path to sustainability. The Civilian Conservation Corps, one of the New Deal's most successful initiatives, employed millions of young men to work on conservation projects, replanting forests, building parks, and restoring the land to its former glory. Across the Atlantic, in Germany, a group of scientists and philosophers known as the Frankfurt School began to explore the relationship between humanity and nature. They coined the term sustainable development and argued that economic growth should not come at the expense of the environment. Their ideas would later influence the United Nations and the creation of the Brundtland Report, a document that defined sustainable development as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In the decades that followed, the concept of sustainable living continued to evolve. From the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro to the Paris Agreement, the world began to recognize the importance of preserving the planet for future generations. Today, the challenge remains, but the seeds of change sown in the medieval valley of Byzantium continue to bear fruit, guiding us towards a greener, more sustainable future. The story of sustainable living is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a journey that began with a single monk's words and has spanned centuries. It is a journey that continues today, as we strive to find a balance between progress and preservation, between our needs and the needs of the world we inhabit. The green renaissance continues, and it is up to us to carry the torch forward.